Being the expert on social media used to take a ton of time and energy, but not anymore. Now there's a quick and easy way to showcase your expertise without actually having to sit down and develop all the content over and over and over again. I'm going to show you how to do it way faster and easier to engage your following on Instagram. So here's what you do. For my example, I'm going to be using my small business, which is Mighty Sites, which is a software platform for local businesses to build a simple professional website for $9 a month. So for me, I want to look like the expert in small business marketing. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to Canva, which you're familiar with, and I'm just going to create a Instagram post. So now I've got my marketing post. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to go back to my Instagram, search my computer, and then I've got my downloads, I've got my marketing post, which is what I'm going to plug in here and open it up. All right, so now I've got my post. Next, now, I'm not going to do any filters or anything like that. Have fun with it. Now, here's where the magic happens. This is going to be a post about an expert tip, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually go over here to Tugin AI, which is an amazing platform to create Instagram posts from expert content online. So what I'm going to do is go from article to Instagram post. Now I'm going to paste in the link and it's going to start generating my Instagram post for me. So what I'm going to do, and of course I could use Canva to say expert tips below or whatever I want to do with the actual image. I could also take a video and I could read out this text that I'm talking about and then just paste the caption below too. Any of these are fine. You could also just read this as a post on a reel or a story or something like that. And now you see boosting your local business. Here's how. And now check it out. Now you've got a really great post caption that you can add right down here below. And it pulls up all of that. You've got all these tips. You can probably take these and maybe like remove that. And you see boosting your local business. Here's how, SEO magic. You've got this nice caption here, landing pages and tips for locations. Why is this important? Number 3, Google Business Profile, great advice. And then tip on how to regularly update your content. And you can see now I just go through and I click share. And that's how you can, in a flash, create expert social media content for Instagram, expert posts, just using Tugin AI. And that I put the link down below for the description for Canva and Tugin AI. Give it a try, check it out, see what you think. Let me know in the comments how you're using it to look like and position yourself as an expert on social media to help your business, your blog, or your influencer channel grow. We'll catch you in the next video.